The Cat D11T, manufactured by Caterpillar, is a powerful and large bulldozer model. This machine is designed for heavy workloads and is used extensively in mining, quarrying, and large infrastructure projects. The Cat D11T has an engine of approximately 850 to 900 horsepower, making it an extremely powerful heavy-duty machine. It weighs approximately 100 to 104 tons when fully equipped. It has a high-efficiency hydrostatic transmission, which allows it to carry heavy loads with low fuel consumption. It is compatible with various types of blades and has a soil handling capacity of approximately 35 to 43 cubic meters. This machine is one of the largest bulldozers equipped with the latest technology by Caterpillar and is preferred for its reliability in large-scale projects around the world.